How to create an account on Lensa. Okay, so you want to create an account on Lensa. It's pretty straightforward. First thing, make sure you have Lensa app downloaded on your phone. Got it? Now let's open it. You can see my Lensa right over here. Tap on it and this opens up, and there you can see two options right over there. There's an option for agree to terms of use and privacy policy. If you have any doubt on this one, simply tap on this right over here and right over here, then read all the terms and conditions, and only after that proceed to create your account. I'm very much confident with this one, so I'm just tapping on this agree tick mark, and there's an also other processing of my photos and videos as set forth in the section 3 of the Lensa app privacy policy. You can read them too, and let's tap on the continue. After that, you will be provided two options right over here. There's an option for photo editing and creating avatars. So this may be for the profile. Let's try this one. Let's tap and create an avatar. Now, how can we call you? Let's skip my name right over here, then tap on continue, and you will be asked to enter your gender. Let's tap on it, and your age too. Just tap on your age. There's under 18, 18 to 25, 25 to 29, 30 to 39, and 40 plus. Let's tap on 18 to 24. And after that, you will find a question called where do you post the content. Let's tap on Insta, TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest, Facebook, and let's tap on continue. So it's personalizing Lensa for me. Let's wait for a while, and after that you will be provided three options right over there. Continue with the email, continue with the Google, or continue with the Apple. So let's tap on continue with the Google and choose the Google account that I want to associate with Lensa. Choose it. So this is the promotion part. If you want to use the upgraded version of this Lensa, you can just start a 7-day trial and see if it's for you or not, and if it's not, you can simply cancel it anytime that you like. However, I'm not taking this free trial. Let's cross it out. Let's go to the setting, and I just want to show you my profile. So I have already created my profile right over here. So the process of creating an account in Lensa is a little bit different from the traditional app that we have, where you will be tapping on get started and proceeding the process. However, it is a little bit different in this Lensa app, and that's pretty much of it. You have started the process of creating your Lensa app or the profile. Simple, right? Now you are ready to explore what Lensa can do. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.